And welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, October the 8th. We have finally made it into October. I hope you enjoyed that little intro thing. I tried to mix it up a little bit and make it more interesting. So yeah, with this week we opened quite a few boxes. I apologize for the past few weeks. I've been a little busy. But without further ado, let's continue and get right into this video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for coming and checking out our channel and keeping up to date with us. Everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so you can go click on those links and check out all the products that we added. Yeah, once again, I want to thank you all for just coming out and checking out our channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. But other than that, we'll see you next week.